Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to enter the referral code in Cash App, guys. Actually really easy and simple. The first things first, guys, I want you to launch the Cash app, and you want to launch it on your phone, and if you need, you should log in, okay? And just tap on your profile icon. It's usually located in the top right corner, and then you want to scroll down, okay? Scroll down and select this option right here. You see this? Enter referral code. Select this option, okay? Click on that. And then you just want to input the code that you have been given to you, maybe by your friend, or you found it online. Doesn't really matter, but you can put any code, okay? As long as it's working, you can put that code, and then just tap submit. Okay? Once you tap submit to confirm, then you will get your referral benefit. You'll get a confirmation for any reward that was applicable to that one. So that's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can always subscribe.